Hi everybody, and welcome to True Ones. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying all the content that I'm making and you enjoy my content, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you so much in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, today I finally got the box from Fashionsta. This has been a crazy weekend. I don't know when this is going to get uploaded, but it is October when this box arrived, and this is the September box. This box is always late in the month, and I know a lot of people, have their feelings about someone taking their dollars out on the first of the month and they only end up getting their items at the end of the month. This time it's really actually the beginning of the following month. For some reason, this brand, the box by Fashionsta, it's very slow to when they start even showing sneak peeks and things like that. So either he's a smaller, business, but their website is beautiful. Everything that they do is beautiful. The boxes that they put together are beautiful. And to me, they're always worth the wait. I would like it to arrive at least in the same month, but it is what it is. So we are getting to the point where this time of year where so much cool stuff is happening. This actual box behind me here, which is the Glossybox Advent Calendar, which is a PR package that arrived. It was the first time I've ever, first of all, received an advent calendar, and I'm brand new with Glossybox in reference to PR. I've only gotten a few. So the fact that they sent me an advent calendar is still blowing my mind. And it arrived late on Friday night, like around 8:30 at night, which we heard a thump at the door, so you know that means it's FedEx. And I decided I'm going to definitely, I wanted to make sure to open this up. I couldn't let this sit. And I was so excited. And I'm telling you, the excitement in that video is real. This is phenomenal. And if you haven't had the opportunity to see this unboxing, I will leave it, linked down below in this actual description box of this video. But what's unbelievable is I stayed up till about around 2 in the morning, to film it and get everything because it arrived so late. And I decided that I would upload it at 2 in the morning because the following morning I was getting up to do the Ipsy choices. So it really was, I got like 2-3 hours sleep. So I'm a little bit of punchy at this point now that this box has arrived. I thought I would have, a little bit of time, but when the boxes arrive, it's easier for me to film it. And then I'll have to figure out when this one's going to get uploaded because I have so much that I have already received and filmed and haven't had the opportunity to upload because there's been so much news in the Ipsy BoxyCharm world and spoilers, and I always like to share that with you guys first because that's how I started my channel, with those two boxes. So let's get started in reference to the box. If this would have come a week ago, we wouldn't be talking about all this other stuff, but it is here today at the beginning of October. This is what this is all about. If you are not following me on Instagram with the number True Ones with the number 2 right after it, you are so missing out. I do towers. I show at the end of the month all the boxes opened up of what I got before I do all my organization of what I'm going to be reviewing, what I'm going to be giving away, what I'm going to, put away, things like that. So there's so much that I'm able to share on Instagram that I can't share by sitting down with a video. It's just two different worlds. But I always share on Instagram when I get a box. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will always see when the box arrives, and then later in the day, you will see the product shot. So the reason I'm telling you all this is when I get a box, I always open it up beforehand for a few reasons. One, I want to make sure that everything that is in the box should be in the box, that there is a card with the information to be able to share with you what's in the box. And if anything's missing or damaged, I like to deal with that before I sit down and share this with you, because my channel is about products. It's about sharing with you what products are out there. if we're able to get them at good deals with boxes and things like that, that's great, and I share that with you too. Sales, deals, all that. But it really is all about the products, and that we can learn more about the products. So when they become available in sales and things like that, if you don't get boxes, then you're still interested to come by and share with me, you know, the information. Also, it's a community where you guys share in the comments down below. So if I haven't had the opportunity to share these products, or if you got the box sooner than I did and you had the opportunity to play with any of the products that we're going to talk about, please share that in the comments down below as well. All right? Okay. So this is the card. It tells you, so like I said, I took a picture for Instagram, True Wants number 2. It removed all the packaging as best that I could so that when we sit here, we're just going to talk about the products. On this, there was a card that looks like there's going to be 6 products. There were 6 products in here, and the retail value of this box is $131. If you're joining it now, it is $25. This company grandfathered me in when I first started with them at $19.99. They gave us all the opportunity that if we stayed with them before the price increase, I still pay it month to month, and it's $19.99. But if you were to join it today, it is $24.99. All right. What else I wanted to share with you was last month was the first time that I had something missing from my box. So I sent them an email and I took a picture of the tracking information, and they told me that they will send the item that's missing, but they're not going to send it out. They send it out with the next box. So when this box arrived, I had to wait a month for the item. This is what was inside. This was the item that I was missing. Everything came packaged beautifully. Everything was in perfect condition. I'm sure a lot of you saw this when you saw other people open up theirs, but I just wanted to share with you that it did come in this box, but I did have to wait for the replacement item. Where with BoxyCharm and Ipsy, my experience has been that if something's missing or something's damaged, they set up an order separately and it comes on its own. But with this company, I just want you to know if there's a damage or anything missing, you take a picture of the label with the box, you send them an email, and then they send whatever it is the following month in the next box. Okay, here we go. The first item in here is one I'm really, really excited about. This is from this brand called Blue, B-L-E-A-U. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, I do apologize to the brand owner. This is a clay mask. This is a $39 value in a $25 box. So the first item right away more than covers for the box. And also what's great about the box is they introduce us to so many really phenomenal lines that either other boxes don't have access to, or because they are a smaller box, they can buy it in, you know, the amount of quantities that some of these brands can actually get it out into a box for us. There's also some items in here are ones that I'm familiar with, some brands that I know, and some brands that I'm being reintroduced to. So really, really excited about this. So this one here is to learn more about the incredible variant. Please visit, and they tell you to go to their website, which is BLEAU beauty.com. The clay mask for essential needs, allowing you to experience a spa-like treatment in the comfort of your home. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And when I looked at this, it said that it is made in Canada, which is phenomenal. If you get any products that are manufactured in Canada, I really feel that the quality that you get is really, really high end. And what's really nice about this, from what I saw when I was unpackaging this, it's made with the natural Canadian glacier oceanic clay that has algae. If you have never tried a mask that has that Canadian glacier clay, you are missing out. There is something really phenomenal about this product. I will open this up and try to show you, because it's always like a heavier type of black clay. It goes on beautifully, but your skin afterwards, there's something about this clay that really makes such a difference. I don't know what it is, but any other brand that I've tried that had that as how they made it with that ingredient, I am so excited. So now I look out for that type of product, and that is what that looks like there. All right. Okay. The next item here is from this brand called Sistine, and it's another brand that is new to me, and it is a shrub eye mask. They're saying this is a $10 value, and they're saying it has retinol and collagen here, along with a natural blend of ingredients that are hydrating and improving the under eye area. It will elevate your fatigue, puffiness, dark circles, crow's feet, and wrinkles, and it's also vegan and cruelty-free. And that's another thing that this box tries to do, is they try to give you cruelty-free. Some of them are vegan, some of them are gluten-free. They try very much to make sure that what they put in the box for sure is at least cruelty-free. Then in here, and then this is probably the cuteness of putting these on will be just fantastic. But to get an eye with collagen and retinol, I think that is fantastic. The next item in here is a brand that I got introduced to from Ipsy, and I ended up picking up a few of their crayon lipsticks, and I really, really enjoyed them. And the brand is called Kiss and Schmidt, and it is the Everything, and it's $20, and it says it is a multi-purpose cream stick that can be used on your cheeks, your lips, your lids, or anywhere. Really, it can be easily applied with your fingers. Bye-bye brushes, hello effortless color. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And the color that I received in mine, just give me a sec. Again, I'm using my Improving Lifestyles magnifier, and thank you so much to everybody who has seen me use this and asked, and I shared with you, and I will leave it again in the description box down below, because when you're receiving it, you're writing to me, wow, what a difference this magnifier makes. And it's simply because of the LD, and that you can keep it clean because it closes. I couldn't wait to share this in the True Wants Need It bags, and now this is it's in the accessory section at Improving Lifestyles. And the color that we got here is in the color called Split. And that is what this looks like here. And this is the shade that we have over here. We'll do a quick little swatch to see what this color looks like. Okay, it looks like it has like a shimmery metallic to it. So this is really unique that they're saying you can use it in all different areas. So definitely I've seen other people, you know, use this type of product on their lips and on their cheeks, but I've never heard of it on the eyes. So that's really, really unique. So that might be something I'll be playing with in the future, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's more spring, summer, but I live in Florida, so that will work. All right, the next item is from the brand Estate. And Estate I got introduced to also through Ipsy, and it was a collab that they did with a phenomenal very unique YouTuber named Bailey. She does these story times while she's putting on her makeup of all these murders and mysteries. She's very unique, and I never knew about her until this brand collabed with her through Ipsy, and it made me search her out, and now I follow her. I don't get to watch her as much as I would like to, but it's a very unique channel. So this one here is called Estate, and it is in Just a Taste. This is the box that it came in, and this is the cute palette that we have inside here, and it says Just a Taste palette. This is a $14 value, and they're saying 3 color variants this month that you'll receive. This is the super easy to blend quad palette to create seamless looks with long lasting color. It's free of mineral oil and parabens, and it is vegan and cruelty free. And the shades that I got, I guess, are called Mare Baby. That's what that looks like there. Let's open her up and see what colors we got. Okay, there's no mirror inside, but there is a safety shield. Colors are really beautiful. That would have been perfect with what I chose to wear today. That is here. And let's do some swatching and see what this is all about. Okay, it looks like we have 3 mattes and 1 pop of color in a shimmer. So let's see, we'll do a little swatch test in here. Okay, the one that's not coming out that great is the one that is the pop of color. So I'm just gonna dip in again. And usually if that happens, I always suggest that you put it on your brush and then spray your brush to help the color pop a little bit more. So it is definitely something that you can load up and reload again, and you will get a better, you know, color. This is great to know, and I always like to do these swatches so I know the consistency of the powders before I start playing with them on my eyes. And then, like I said, the best thing to do is when you want to spritz, put the powder on. I find for me, I put the powder on the brush first, and then I spritz the brush with the powder on it. I find if I spritz the brush first and then put it into the powders, sometimes it leaves, in some powders doesn't like water. So it seems to make it into an area on the powder that I can't access the powder after that. So that's what I end up doing. Please share with me in the comments what you do when you need to spritz to get the color to pop. If you spritz before or after you put the powder on the brush. The next item is one that I own and enjoy, and this is from this brand here. Years ago, these brushes came out from a very, very high-end brand, and then this company called Kaylin, I got introduced to through one of the shopping channels, and one of their kits had these type of brushes, and then I remember for a friend of mine, I was able to find it on Amazon also, and I got it for her through Amazon. And this is a really unique brush. There's something really fantastic about this one, and like this one is really, really unique. First of all, I love that it came with the cover, and second of all, this one has a handle that it is a little bit different, and it makes it a lot easier to use. These go on very much like equivalent to like a beauty blender, but it spreads so easily and it really doesn't leave any marks on your face, and it is the softest brush. Let's see what they wrote about it. It's called the Oh Wow brush. This is a $32 brush. It says, get a beautiful seamless airbrush effect with the immaculate streak-free touch, featuring a dome angled shaped surface that is crafted to blend foundation powder, cream, moisturizers and primers, and is cruelty free. So that is what this looks like here. And like I said, it is so smooth and so, once you touch it, it's just so, it's such a pleasure. And for some reason, you know, you start getting other tools and then this ends up in the back of the drawer, but this is reminding me how much I did enjoy it, and I'm gonna pull it out again. And now I have the second one that I'll make a decision with what I'm gonna do with that. Then we have the last item in here is from this brand called LA Splash. And LA Splash, I'm not that familiar with. I did get, I think, a highlighter or something from this brand, but from this box. So they must have some relationship with this brand. And this is called the Wicked Divine Eyeliner. They're saying this is a $16 value. It says it is a buildable, high-impact liquid liner that provides the color that sparkles. It can be worn alone or layered. This is a unique formula. It dries down quickly, providing long-lasting wear and will not smudge, and it's cruelty-free. The packaging is really, really beautiful, and it says Wicked by Divine. It's got this beautiful red, you know, very Halloweenish to it, and the wand inside is stunning. This is the packaging here, very, very unique. And look at the little, you know, red on the top. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. And it looks like the color that I got, sorry, one more time. I got is in Dementor, D-E-M-E-N-T-O-R, if I'm pronouncing it right. The numbers are a lot larger. It's number 13421038J, Dementor. Okay, and that is what that looks like here. And let's see what this is about. Oh, it's one of these. Okay, this is one of those fine tip ones. Let's do a, like that. You have to have a very, very steady hand with this. When I started wearing liquid liner, this is the type of liquid liner that was available. It was way before the felt tips and the brushes and all that, and then the paint pots and stuff. This is how I started wearing liquid liner, so this is bringing back such memories. What's great about this is you could do very thin lines, you could put it exactly where you want it, but you have to have a steady hand because the bristles on these type of brushes are very, it will bend however you choose to bend it. So it's great if you're very artistic and you want to do certain types of looks, but the packaging alone on this I think is fantastic. And the fact that it says it's smudge proof and all that, I will definitely be giving this a shot. This is a very unique box. I am really, like I said, always pleasantly surprised with what they choose to put together in the box. I always feel it's unique items. I'm always being introduced to new brands, and then they always put something in that I'm familiar with, so it gives me that comfort zone. So if you're interested, as you know, all my boxes that I receive, I have links down below. They're just to access for you to get to them. Some give points. This company is really starting to grow into where they're giving rewards for reviews and things like that. So check them out if it's of interest to you. But just to recap, we got this clay mask. We received from this company, we got the eye gels. We got from Sistine and Schmidt, we got the Everything. Then we got an eyeshadow palette, which I think is great. And then we got from Caitlin, we got this fantastic brush. And from LA Splash, we got this really unique eyeliner. Like I said, I find everything in here is very unique. Please share in the, in the comments down below how you feel about this box, if you're familiar with this box, if you get this box, or if any of these items, like I said, you've had the opportunity to use because you do receive this box and you had a chance to play. And that's everything that we received in the box. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.